Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. It seems like ADA wants to follow our wave count from yesterday here. We talked about this being the wave 5 here, in which we are, being an ABC pattern, and that we're now possibly in the C wave after we put a triangle in place here, and that we are in an ending diagonal in a wave C, or at least overall this wave 5 is an ending diagonal, and in that we have an ABC pattern. So we're currently looking at this C wave, which started after the triangle peaked here at 33 cents. And I told you yesterday that we can focus generally on the downside as long as we are below the 33 cent level, because this is the level where the impulse to the downside started here in a 5-wave structure in yellow. And if we get above that 33 cent level, then we need to challenge ourselves. Is this really the right wave count? Because a move above the 33 cent level would invalidate this imminent downward structure of 5 waves, because the wave 2, which it would then be, that retracement, is not allowed to go any higher than the wave, than the beginning of the wave 1, right? So at the moment, my view is still that we are coming down further here for ADA as well. Looks currently a little bit like as if we are putting here new lows in just now. We had already new lows overnight. There's two possibilities how this can be counted in the micro, or two main possibilities. We actually have 5 waves down complete. That's why I told you yesterday this could have been a wave 2 retracement. It was a very shallow one. Yeah, we reached the 38.2% fib level. That's similar to what Bitcoin did as well. This was, if it was a wave 2, it was a very shallow one. And it could very well be that we'll still put a higher wave 2 in, but stay below 33 cents. But that wouldn't be bullish. It would just be a, let's call it, it would just be an expanded flat, a corrective wave, A, B, C. That's possible. And then we're talking about the range all the way up to the 78.6% fib level. That is 32.6 cents. The other possibility, which if we make a new low now, will be the primary, so that you know what is expected. That would be a scenario where we say, okay, we've done our wave 1, 2, and we're now in wave 3 already. And that this was a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, 3, 4, 5. Let me change the wave degree here and color. And then we can say that this is now a 3rd wave which is coming now. And I could tell you or give you a target for that white 3rd wave as well. Take the length of the wave 1, go to the high of the wave 2. And that takes us to around 28 cents for the 3rd wave in white. 28, I'm going to put that onto the chart here, pretty much 28.1, I think it was, pretty much roughly. And then a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down to finish off yellow wave 3. Then there'll be yellow wave 4, yellow wave 5, and so on. So this would remain, so we can keep that actually the primary count as long as we stay below the wave 2 high here at 30.9 cents. Should we go above that, my first assumption would be that the wave 2 in yellow needs to go a bit higher before we come down. But generally the trend is down as long as we stay below 33 cents. And yeah, also here the MACD on the 1 hour is now pushing down again. Yeah, starting with negative momentum. The 4 hour we are a bit oversold, or not anymore actually. So also here we would support further downside, but the 4 hour is moving up a bit. So get conflicting signals here of the 1 hour and the 4 hour MACD. So again, both of these short-term possibilities are there, but generally the trend for me is down as we are below the 33 cent level, and the daily MACD confirms that, in that the negative momentum here is clearly reducing. So that is generally the idea that yes, we are still down. Short term, we've got 2 clear possibilities here depending on which level is breaking. But yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.